said, why did you do that? Roxanne saw I did that. I said, what was that supposed to mean? Cause she said, I still love you. I said, what do you mean, girl? You still love me? And I said, look, this is crazy. Sylvester and Twan started laughing to say, man, she got you good. I said, oh, that's really funny. Look, we need to talk about how to get this money. You got to leave. She says, fine, but I'll be back later. So we're gonna talk about it later. And I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna move in with you. I said, no you ain't. She says, yeah. And I said, whatever, get out of here. So she hops back on a motorcycle. She heads on out. Me and Twan start talking about business. So I said, Sylvester, we need to do this. And Sylvester says, okay. And I said, look, this is about our plan. Look, we're gonna get this money. We're gonna hit all these spots. But first of all, we gotta make some deals. And we gotta be careful. What about Bankhead? I said, look, I know somebody that can take care of Bankhead and Beano. But what about the Italians? I said, look, we got this. Don't worry about it. Before somebody's nugget gets popped. And Twan says, how you know about popping nuggets? And I said, don't worry about it. All I know is I got heat in the trunk. He says, oh, you calling me a punk? I said, no, I didn't say punk. I said trunk. Oh, I misheard you, my bad. And Sylvester looks at me. He says, wait, we gotta really talk about this rationally. And I said, yeah, we're gonna talk about it. But first we need to make out a plan. And I said, do you have any ideas? And Sylvester says, I got plenty. I said, let's hear 'em. He says, you don't wanna know. I said, yeah, I wanna know. Did you call up your wife? She said, yeah. And I said, Sylvester, what you mean your wife said, yeah? Okay. Then we all started arguing. Then we went inside to the place in space. Then I get another phone call. It's Roxanne. She said, I'm sorry I stormed out earlier. I had to get on my motorcycle. I'm at the restaurant, can you come by? I said, sure, but I don't want to trip with you. And then you know, me and Sylvester and Twan said, let's go. I said, alright, we're gonna go. So we get back in the car, and we on our way to the restaurant to see Roxanne. But Tina calls Twan, and Twan won't answer his phone. I said, look Twan, you better answer your phone. And he says, why? Cause I sure it's very important. And before you know, when I pull up to the restaurant, Roxanne is standing outside with a spatula.